Will robots replace us? The truth about automation in India? The fear that haunts every worker. Imagine walking into your office one morning and seeing a robot sitting at your desk, typing away. Sounds like science fiction, right? But in the age of automation, it's a question that millions are silently asking. Will I be replaced by a machine? In India, a country with over 1 billion people and a rapidly growing tech economy, this question hits even harder. Today, we're diving deep into the truth about automation, artificial intelligence, and what they really mean for India's future workforce. What automation really means. Let's get one thing straight. Automation isn't just about robots walking around offices or factories. It's software that automates emails, algorithms that make financial decisions, machines that assemble cars, and even voice assistants that take over customer service calls. It's silent, invisible, and already everywhere. In India, automation is happening faster than you think, from agriculture to banking, from manufacturing to logistics. Jobs already affected in India. Let's talk numbers. Over 1.5 million Indian workers in sectors like data entry, customer support, and manufacturing could be displaced by 2030. Call centers, once the symbol of India's global outsourcing success, are increasingly powered by AI chatbots. In retail, billing counters are going digital. In agriculture, machines are now planting, watering, and harvesting more efficiently than ever. And yet, despite this, the bigger picture is far more nuanced. Automation doesn't always kill jobs. History tells us something hopeful. Every wave of technological progress destroys some jobs, but it also creates new ones. In India, for every job lost to automation, new roles are emerging in AI supervision, robotics maintenance, machine learning, cybersecurity, and digital infrastructure. The skills required may change, but the need for human creativity, judgment, and emotional intelligence is rising. India's unique labor market. India isn't like other countries. Our economy is deeply informal. More than 90% of workers don't have formal contracts or fixed jobs. That means automation doesn't just affect office workers, it impacts farmers, shopkeepers, construction laborers, and artisans. But here's where India has an advantage: our demographic dividend. A young, tech-hungry population that's adaptable and eager to learn can thrive in a hybrid future of man and machine, if we equip them right. The skills that will matter. The future belongs to those who can blend human strengths with machine capabilities. That means mastering critical thinking, problem-solving, emotional intelligence, data literacy, and digital skills. From rural villages to urban metros, India's education and upskilling efforts must shift toward lifelong learning. Government and private institutions must work together to make digital literacy universal and future-focused education accessible. The rise of cobots, not competitors but collaborators. Instead of seeing robots as rivals, we must begin to see them as collaborators, or cobots. In factories across Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra, we already see humans working side by side with machines that lift, cut, and assemble, allowing workers to focus on supervision and strategy. In hospitals, AI scans reports, but doctors make the final calls. In education, AI may personalize lessons, but it's the teacher who inspires. The ethical dilemma. But this shift isn't without risks. Who decides what jobs are automated? What happens to workers without digital access? Will automation widen the inequality gap between urban and rural, skilled and unskilled? These are tough questions, and the answers will require bold policy, ethical AI design, and above all, human empathy. We must ensure no one is left behind. India's response: policy, innovation, and hope. The Indian government is investing in AI through Digital India and the National AI Mission. Startups are using AI to solve problems in agriculture, healthcare, and education. Initiatives like PM Kaushal Vikas Yojana are trying to re-skill workers, but we need more. More public-private collaboration, more rural outreach, more support for small businesses to adapt. This is a national movement, and it starts with awareness. What you can do today. Whether you're a student, a professional, or an entrepreneur, start today. Learn a new skill. Embrace AI tools. Join online courses. Talk about automation in your community. The more we understand the future, the less we'll fear it. You don't have to be a coder to thrive in the AI age. You just need to be curious, adaptable, and ready to grow. Will robots replace us? Let's go back to the question. Will robots replace us? The answer is not black or white. Robots may take tasks, but they cannot replace our dreams, our empathy, our creativity, or our resilience. In India's story, automation will not be the end. It will be the beginning of a new chapter, and the pen is still in our hands. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe India's workforce can rise stronger with AI, not against it. And tell us in the comments, what will you do to prepare for the future?